What safety tips do the high-pressure cleaning professionals follow? Are you looking forward to having your property high-pressure cleaned? Hire professionals, rather than opting for DIY. For high-pressure cleaning is a risky business. That's why, even the professional high-pressure cleaners in Melbourne follow certain safety tips. They will never direct the wand at any individual. They wear protective equipment. They never operate gas-operated pressure washer in a confined space. They never use ladders and work at heights. They select the right nozzle and care about the surroundings. Thus you see, the high-pressure cleaning professionals in Melbourne would follow these safety tips. That becomes possible when you hire a quality company. What better name can you opt for than Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne? Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Feel free to call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.